This Corona California condo has everything you want and more. You will love the spacious open floor plan this Condo For Rent has to offer. This condo is located in the Sage Canyon community and measures 915 square feet, with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. This Corona California Condo For Rent includes central heating and air conditioning, with 2 designated parking spots. The living room has a beautiful fireplace, laminate flooring, and windows with shutters to bring the California sunlight in. It features a dining area with lighting, putting you in the center of entertaining your guests. The kitchen has wooden cabinets for extra storage, tile flooring, granite countertops, gorgeous backsplash, oven with stove, microwave, and stainless steel dishwasher. There is also a cabinet for your stackable washer and dryer. There is a beautiful bathroom centrally located with tile flooring and granite countertops. The large primary bedroom has an attached ensuite bathroom. The master has laminate flooring, a large walk-in closet, and features windows with shutters. The ensuite bathroom includes granite countertops, a sink, shower with a bathtub, and a toilet area. Bedroom 2 has laminate flooring, a closet, and windows with shutters. It also has an HOA with a gorgeous sparkling pool, ready for you to cool down in, and a spot perfect for relaxing. The community also has a gym filled with different types of fitness equipment. It also has a picnic area too, perfect for get-togethers and parties. It also has a sand volleyball court to play a game or two with your friends, as well as a basketball hoop too. They also have an additional spa as well, perfect for enjoying the beautiful weather. This Corona California condo is truly an entertainer's delight. All this and conveniently located minutes from schools, shopping, and freeways. If you're looking for a condo for rent in California, look no further. This Corona California condo is truly an entertainer's delight.